Gold and silver traded bullish yesterday and beautifully achieved the targets here at now 26, 25, 26. In my daily and weekly analysis, both I have mentioned that if you look at the title itself, I have mentioned buy gold and see what has happened. We have seen it now coming towards the next resistance at 26, 25, 26. While silver has also seen the next highs at 31, 40, 50, and this is also a greater resistance zone. So what to expect now from the metals? Can we expect more rise, or it is going to reverse or retrace, or there is a slight chances of consolidation? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade with profit, trade with confidence, trade with logic. Let's start first. We look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. Look at the hourly charts. At this point, I have mentioned it is reversing first rise, then consolidation, and this is the second round of rise. And this is a very beautiful rise right from the lows at 25.60. Now we have seen it hitting 26. 25, 26, and yes, this zone at 26, 25, 26 is a greater resistance zone, because once it breaks out beyond this, chances will be high that 26, 30, 32, 26, 40, 26, 48.5, and higher levels towards 26.52 and 60 are also achievable. So these are going to be the resistances. I will summarize this later, but right now if you look at the formation here, see it has formed a very good base at 26.10.8 zone, which is going to now remain the prime support zone for the day. Any drop below 26.10.08 is the only confirmation that we may see a possibility of a drop towards 2600, though I still expect that even if it has to trade bearish, it may try to trade in range, it may try to consolidate and not break below 2600 today at least. This is my expectation. So largely the stance is very much bullish here. Moving averages crossing over here is again a good bullish sign. If you look at the stochastic, this has come towards an overbought zone, and see early stochastic always trades in cycles, so this increases the possibility that there could be slight consolidation before it takes a direction. Likewise on the MACD, on the early charts is similar observation. See 10 to 15 zone, this is plus 10 to plus 15 zone, is a good resistance zone always for MACD, and we always see that hitting this zone gold tries to retrace. So what we can expect that because the day has just started, we can see a bit of consolidation before it shoots off for another round of rise. Likewise with the RSI, it is slightly overbought. So on the early charts, it appears that possibly from now onwards we have to be watchful at least till towards 26, 30, 32, because hitting that zone, it can try to stay in a range, it can try to trade in a range between 26 10 to 26, 30, 32, and then give you a breakout again later in the day. Now look at the moving averages on the 2-hour charts. This is also crossing over here. This is also a good bullish sign. So I will say that now the signs are very much supportive of further rise. Only thing is we have to be a little bit cautious as things are getting overbought on the smaller time frames. Look at the stochastic. This is overbought. The MACD is also seeing the highs here. The RSI is also coming to overbought zone. Coming to 3, the observation is same, rise, consolidation, and then this strong rise has appeared. And see, it is trading in this bullish channel. 2610, 2608, very good support. 2625, 26, very good resistance here. Let it break beyond 2625, 26, and then we can look forward to a stronger rise. Stochastic overbought. The MACD is rising. It is looking upwards, and it is directly coming to overbought zone. See, look at the candles here. This is almost flattened, which suggests that the bullish momentum has diminished a bit. RSI rising, coming to 4. On the 4-hour chart, see rise, consolidation, rise, then a swing, then a rise, then a step. So it is creating steps out here. Now, when you create steps, you will find that yes, it is trading bullish. It is looking upwards, and this could be the first candle from after creating the base here. The next candle should appear here, where it can head towards 2640, 2648.52, or in fact 2660 levels. Possibility is high here. So right now here the moving averages have started to converge but not yet crossed over. These are showing signs of reversal, and yes, the price is trading above the 50 period moving average. That is also a good sign that we may see an advancement towards the 100 period moving average here. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, and it is trading with bullishness. It has seen the highs, and thus as I said, till 26, 30, 32 today, we have to be a bit cautious and watchful. RSI is rising as well, good sign for the bulls. Coming to now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily. See, what did we discuss? That diminishing bearishness here, and this will become a reversal sign. Now, after reversal, yesterday was the first bullish candle. So, in all possibilities, either it is going to remain a strongly bullish candle, or at best, we can see a doji or a swing. So, I do not expect it to reverse completely and erase all the gains from yesterday. But yes, a swing and a rise is what we can expect at best. So in the case it continues to rise, you can buy here at 26.26, expect 26.30, 32 first target, 26.48 next, and then 26.52. So 26.48.52 rather is going to be a strong resistance, because beyond this we are looking forward to 26.60-64 levels here. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. See, MACD traded with a strong divergence. It is showing signs of convergence. It is not yet crossed over. RSI rising as well. So now on the sell, you can sell here at 26.16, expect 26.12, 26.08 as the first target levels, first target zone. This zone between 26.8 to 26.12 is going to remain the prime support for the day. And any drop below 26.08, 26.12 is only going to be the sign that we are looking forward to further drop. And then 2600, 2602, and below 2600 is where the bears will take over, and you can look forward to 2591 and 2584, chances for which appears to be less here. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver on the early chart. Similarly, we have seen a rise here, then consolidation, and this is the second round of rise here. It has seen a good enough momentum right now. It has come towards the next resistance zone between 3140, 3160, and if you look at it, it has formed a very good base now at 3120, 3110 zone, which is going to remain prime support. And today, the bearish confirmation, the reversal confirmation in silver is only and only if it trades below 31. Then only you should treat this as bearish, else it is still not to be treated bearish. Now see, this is the zone which is definitely going to provide it a greater resistance. Once it breaks out beyond 3160 and then 3180 levels, so 3160, 3180 and 32. 32 is achievable level, and it is going to remain a greater resistance as well. Moving averages crossed over. These are trading with divergence, looking bullish, looking upwards. Stochastic overbought. MACD has seen the highs here, and at this point on the hourly charts, it requires for us to be little cautious. RSI is back to overbought zone as well. On the two, the observation is more or less same. See here, it is forming higher lows, higher highs. Only selling entry below 3110, where you can expect more bearishness. Then you can expect 31 and 3080 as the next target. And if it trades below 3080, consider this is a reversal. Moving averages crossing over here, good sign for the bulls. And this also makes this zone tilt towards 3080 as a stronger support. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, looking upwards. RSI is back to overbought zone as well. On the 3 hour charts, when you see the crossover here in the moving averages is very important. It is converged but not yet crossed over. It requires another bullish candle here, strong bullish candle here, for it to cross over completely and trade in this bullish channel. So this is delivering consistently higher highs, higher lows, and once it breaks out beyond 3140-60 zone, we can look forward to a good move towards 3180, $32 as the next targets. Stochastic overbought here, MACD trading with divergence and bullishness, RSI rising, good signs supportive of further bullishness here. On the 4 hour, similar observation here, consolidation waiting for a breakout. Yes, when you see it is staying above 3140, the lower price has to be above 3140, you can initiate a buying entry, but rather I will say those who want to trade safe should wait for 3160 levels to be taken. The bullishness is only above 3160, where you can expect 3180 and 32 as the next targets. Possibilities there. See, bit of consolidation, first breakout, we can expect a second round off or second bullish candle from here. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising here. Coming to now, see on the daily charts what silver did. First of all, the moving averages crossed over here. Second, what it did today, it is hit the zone here, and this is going to be the prime resistance, and that is also one of the reasons that the zone here between 3140 and 3160 is going to provide it a stronger resistance. Once it breaches this, you can expect 3180 and $32 levels, and breaking beyond 32 is where the bulls are waiting. See, this is trading in this bearish channel, and any move beyond 32 is a sign of reversal here. Remember the fact, any move beyond 32 is a sign of reversal here. Stochastic rising, the MACD has seen strong bearishness. It is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over, but yes, this is coming from the bottom here, so a little retracement on the upside can be expected. RSI rising as well. So looking at this, yes, you can buy here at 3140, but then I will say you have to be extremely cautious. 3150, 3160 levels, very, very good resistance here. Breaking this zone at 3160 is where the bulls are waiting, where you can expect 3180 and $32 as the next target. Then 3230, 3250 levels should appear as the achievable levels here. On the downside, a selling entry now I will recommend is at 3120 levels, but then 3110 and $31 levels, this zone is going to remain critical. Below 31 is where the bears are waiting. 3075, 3050 levels should be there, though I do not see that happening. Even if it tries to trade bearish, we can see a little swing. After the drop, we can expect a recovery again. So at best, there are only two possibilities: either for silver to keep rising, or second is for it to show the swing. So even if it drops, the chances will be high that we may see a recovery. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Do join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.